Hey there, Stampers. My name is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, and I wanted to pop in really quickly today. I know it's New Year's Eve, and I know everybody's got plans for tonight and lots of things, but I wanted to pop in really quickly to share a few of my upcoming classes with you. So I'm going to share some of the details. I will post a link in the description of this Facebook Live. Good morning, Kim. After the video's done. And I'll share peeks of what I've got done already, okay? So I had some positive feedback the last time I did this where I shared a video of the classes that are coming up, so I thought I would do it again. So the first one is my Let's Get Crafty card class. So every month I hold a monthly card class, and it's called the Let's Get Crafty card class. We create 4 projects using the newest Stampin' Up! Product. They're almost always cards. Occasionally I'll throw in something different, and the class fee is either $20 or it's a minimum $35 order, and there's no class fee. Okay, so this one is Thursday, January 9th at 9:30 a.m. or 7 p.m. and we will be creating 4 projects. I've got 3 of them done. Some of you may have seen this. So we're doing a calendar for 2020. So we're doing that. And then we're doing, these are 2 of the cards that we'll be doing. So really beautiful new product. So many great new things coming up. So there's that class. So that was the Let's Get Crafty card class on January 9th. And then every month I also hold a scrapbook class. Sometimes I call it the Layout of the Month class. It's basically, we're referring to the same class. And the class fee is $40 unless you are a club member, then it's $35. And you always get half a package. You get about $20 worth of product. It includes half a package of DSP. This month we're using the Peaceful Poppies DSP. You'll get the Peaceful Poppies elements, which are these here. So they come with die cut shapes. You get 2 sheets of these, you get 2 sheets of black ones, you get 2 sheets of vellum, and then you get 2 sheets of watercolor paper. So we're gonna do lots of fun things with those. A yard of the Whisper White crinkled seam binding ribbon, and a 1/4 package of the sequins, and then all the additional supplies to create the project. So I'm gonna give you a quick look at the pages. I'm really happy with the way, these ones, you may have seen this one on my blog. So this one is a title page for my 2020 album. So it says Hello 2020. But of course, if you don't do title pages, or if you have a different photo in mind, you can always switch out the title. Okay, so that's the first page. Here's another peek at the next. So this is a really large photo, but I'm gonna show you ideas on ways that you can do maybe 2 vertical 4x6 photos. Here's another one. So just giving you quick peeks. And then here's another one here. So those are the 4 pages. And you do get, this is an easy class to get to go. You can get all the supplies to go, and I do a tutorial and a video with any tips or tricks as well, okay? So that's the Peaceful Poppies class. That is Thursday, January 16th at 9:30 a.m. or at 7 p.m. So again, you have a morning or an evening option. Okay, next one is another folio class. So some of you participated in a folio class that I did back in the fall, and it was quite popular. So I decided to do another one. So this is it here, and it's probably not going to be very easy to show you guys in this direction, but it opens up like this, and then this opens up like that. And then I can't hold this and show you guys at the same time. And then these open up like this. I still need to decorate some. I don't decorate a ton of it because I always like to add my decorations after I add my photos. Okay, and then here, this opens up this way, and then it opens up this way. So I still need to add something, especially on that Poppy Parade one, because it's pretty plain. So it's almost done though. This is really cute. It's so simple to make. You'll be amazed at how simple this is to make. So this is the Peaceful Poppies Folio class. This is on Tuesday, January 21st at 7 p.m. So no morning option for this one. The class fee is $40 and includes a package of the Peaceful Poppies DSP. Now, if you already have this DSP, you can substitute that out with one of equal or lesser value. You just have to let me know at the time of registration. And the deadline to register for this is January 9th because I have to make sure I can get the product in on time, okay? So that is that one. And then if you are looking for some crafty time, if you just want to get caught up on some projects, I do have an open crop day. I'm calling it the Let's Get Crafty Crop. That is on Saturday, January 25th from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. There is very limited space because I always like to give everybody a full table. So very limited space. Basically, you bring whatever projects you want to work on and your consumable supplies. You have access to my stamps, my ink pads, my dies, my punches, my Big Shot, that type of thing. So the class fee is $40. It includes a full table to craft at, snacks, beverages, dinner. Lunch is not included, so you can bring a bagged lunch with you if you want to eat lunch. There's a make and take, a gift for attending, and there's door prizes. And then of course you have access to all my stuff as well, okay? So that is Saturday, January 25th from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And then the last class that I want to share with you is one that I'm very excited about. And where is the information on this one? Okay, so it is the Tropical Interactive Album class. So some of you may have participated or seen the video for my Document December 6x8 interactive album class. So this is similar to that album, except it's a tropical theme. So if you've got holiday photos that you want to document or you want to scrapbook, or if you've got a hot holiday coming up, this is perfect for that. So it's a 6x8 album, and again, it's got different interactive elements in it, and a lot of them are different from my December one, so I tried not to duplicate anything. So this class, I will share a flip through video once it's complete. It's probably about 3/4 done, but it's much easier to do a flip through with the camera face down. So I'm just going to show you the cover for now. So this class is on Saturday, February 29th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. and the cost is $95. We will do the whole album and it includes a ton of product. So you get the Tropical Oasis Memories and More card pack, you get the Tropical Oasis DSP, you get the Tropical Trinkets, you get the 6x8 album, you get the pocket pages, you get a free level 1 celebration product of your choice, all the pre-cut supplies to create the album, and lunch and beverages over the course of the day, okay? There is an optional add-on, so you can choose to add on the Timeless Tropical bundle for $71. You save shipping and tax by choosing that, and then if you do choose that optional add-on, then you get either your choice of a level 2 celebration product or 2 level 1 celebration products, okay? The class is available to go. Just contact me if you want more information on that. And payment and registration for that one is February 14th. So any of you who are just joining in, I'm just going over some of the classes that I have coming up. And I was just chatting about this Tropical Interactive Album class that will be available. So this class again will be on Saturday, February 29th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And the deadline to register for this one is February 14th. Okay, so that's it for now. There will definitely be more classes popping up, but I wanted to share the ones that I had projects created for. And like I said, once I post this video, I will go back in and edit the description so you'll have a link so that you know where you can register for any of these classes. And if you have any questions at all, just post a comment below. I'm happy to answer them. All right, so Happy New Year. I hope you guys all have a safe and happy New Year's Eve, and I will chat with you in 2020. All right, take care, guys.